my gosh, this was such a crazy morning. We had decided to, after breakfast, immediately leave to take you guys someplace. I'm not going to tell you where, but it's east of Antigo. And we actually started preparing. We brought our lunch. This place is not near any larger city. It's hard to even describe where it is because it's not close to anything. I prepared our lunch. We had started to get things out into the van cooler, and suddenly the sky started looking really ominous. I said, oh, it almost looks like it could start raining anytime. Daniel said it doesn't look good out. We just canceled all plans of going there. Now it's almost noon. I mean, look at you. Can see how the sun is shining bright. We said, oh, let's just go someplace. Because we do know it's going to start raining later today. That could be 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We don't know. You know how it is. The weatherman says 4 o'clock. That could mean 3 o'clock. So we thought, well, let's just go someplace. And we're trying to decide where. Where haven't we been lately? But the only close place we could think of to have our lunch and just enjoy the day, because it's certainly not raining yet. And we figured, that could be Jack Lake. So let's just take the car, leave Libby home. It is muggy out. What's the time? 78 degrees. That's pretty hot. She'll be more comfortable at home. We'll just run up to that one place and see.
It's kind of dark out to the north.
Oh, to the north, it does look worse. Oh no. Oh.
We'll just see.
Oh golly. So, yeah. It's this doesn't mean we have to sit around for hours. Anyway, so we'll see how it goes. I'll show you the sky. Wait, I want to take a picture of that. We ended up turning around and going back home, and now I'm going to show you some other photos and places that we have gone since then. We absolutely love capturing photos of wildlife, and we happened to be at a relative's house, and it's just so much fun watching wildlife come right into their yard. So we captured this doe and fawn coming so close to the house. Passing through Mosinee, Wisconsin, I thought this corner was so cute, the way they landscaped the corner and the mural on the wall. This is facing Rib Mountain and traveling down Highway 51. We walked down to the Badgerland Classics and Custom Car Show, and that is held annually in Antigo, Wisconsin. I think I'll call this tile art. I found these on the wall of the Antigo Middle School, and the second one says Ripple Effect with the word belonging in the center. Hello. So today your lesson in the kitchen is cookies that are made with 2 ripe bananas. Here is the recipe. We'll turn on the oven to 360. I already mashed up the 2 ripe bananas. So mash those up. Measured out the 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I'll measure out 1.5 cups of rolled oats. I'm doing the old-fashioned type. And a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Now, it does not say to add, oh yes, it does. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. And that's just being baked for 15 minutes. I will put these on parchment paper, I believe, on my pan. So, okay, I'm just going to be putting these ingredients all together. Now everything has been stirred together. I did use pure maple syrup as a sweetener. I laid parchment paper down on my cookie sheet. The oven is now ready, up to 360 degrees, and I'll put these in the oven. This is how they turned out. They are, well, they're not real large, but oh no, they tasted healthy, not overly sweet, very chewy. I didn't use the quick cooking oats. So I think it's a good healthy snack. Yay, 2 cataract surgeries done in the same month. We're out celebrating. And now on to our losing weight journey. Today I am making a stir fry. We often do vegetarian. Today I am adding a pork loin cut into pieces, but that is totally optional. And I will just show you what I'm putting into the fry pan. I'll be squirting a little olive oil in the pan first, and then proceed with stir frying everything after the meat is cooked through mostly. I have a spray, olive oil spray. Turn the heat on a medium-high. So, as you can see, I have cut up zucchini, red pepper, onion, and broccoli. Sometimes it's easier to use cut up carrots like this. I will just be throwing in as much as I would like of that. I also have bok choy today. Put those in at the very end. It's almost like adding spinach to a dish where they wilt very quickly. So that's the very last. I also have cauliflower to add, adding more oil to the pan and to put the vegetables in next. I'll let that warm up a bit. In the meantime, I am preparing a seasoning sauce for the stir fry. 1/4 cup soy sauce, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1/2 cup chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. You pour that over the vegetables after they're cooked to your liking, and then cook that and it will thicken a little. Okay, so the fry pan is warm. I'm adding all of these vegetables in at the same time. So the only ones left out are the greens from the bok choy. Now I think I'll turn the heat down a little. Just a little below medium. We don't want these to get cooked too quickly. This is the sauce I made. It required 1/2 cup of a broth. The remainder of the 1 cup of broth, I can add some broth to this vegetable stir fry. And that will help it give the vegetable some flavor, but also give it some moisture to cook in. Give it another stir. Mix that around. That's almost like steaming the vegetables in a little moisture. Can cover it for a while. So I realized I forgot the carrots. That's what's so fun about stir fries. You can make it any way you want, whatever vegetables you want, whatever you have on hand. One more thing. I had the mushrooms all washed and set aside, and so I thought, oh, I didn't put those in, but that's okay because mushrooms can be towards the end. Now I promise that is all I have. I didn't forget anything else. It is all in here, and it'll all just slowly cook. Don't get it overly done. Leave the vegetables have a little crunch. Add a little more moisture if you want. And then we'll just periodically check on these and stir it. Okay, I think that this is cooked long enough. I take a fork, I test the cauliflower, the broccoli. The broccoli might be a little crunchy yet. You know, it just depends on how well you like it. But I think that's enough cooking. And now I'm going to add the sauce over it. Now, for an easy way out, you can always just toss it with sweet and sour sauce if you like that flavor. That is one that we use quite a bit in our stir fries. But I'm anxious to try this. Wow, I don't know if it's going to take all of this juice. I don't know. Add the tops of the bok choy and cook for a short while, and it's all finished. In our next video, we look forward to taking you to the places we planned on taking you at the beginning of this video.